Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and range test of Ruger PC Carbine. This is the Magpul Backpacker edition, so we're going to take a look at what's in the box and then test it on the range. So in the box we have instruction, paperwork, a cable lock, some Allen keys, an SR series 16 round magazine, and this is an insert for Glock magazines. You'll take both Ruger and Glock magazines. Chamber flags. This has a 16-inch chrome moly fluted barrel that's threaded 1/2 inch by 28. It has a blade front sight with wing protectors. It has a rear adjustable ghost sight. These are very similar to what's on an M1 carbine. It has a reversible magazine latch and a reversible bolt handle. Picatinny rail. And the Magpul stock has a storage compartment for an extra magazine or for transport. I forgot to mention inside the box also has another cheek piece that has a little bit of a riser on it depending on what optic you use. And these wings on the front here are for for stowage. This is a takedown. The latch on the bottom. Give it a 1/2 turn, it comes apart. The barrel stores inside the stock, and you depress these buttons and it stows in there pretty solid. As long as it's all the way clicked, it's not coming out. You can transport this in a small case or not. But enough of the features and what it looks like. Let's take it to the range and see how it shoots. So I plan on putting an optic on here, a red dot, but I wanted to test the out-of-the-box accuracy with the first shots. For our testing, we're going to be using Blazer brass, 124 grain full metal jackets, and we're going to just see what bullseye we get at 25 yards out of the box. So let's get to it. Let's go check it out. So first 10 rounds out of the box, just about 5-inch group here, about 3 inches tall. Not horrible. We're gonna put a red dot on there, see how it does with that. But right now, let's go shoot some steel. So I got 18 rounds and 16 targets. Fingers crossed, let's hope for the best. So I like this gun. It's fun to shoot. It's pretty accurate out of the box. It's reliable so far. I've had 0 malfunctions out of the first 50 rounds. It has a lot of features. I shoot lefty, so I'm probably going to switch the magazine release and the bolt handle. I got this gun so I can do carbine videos, and because I just got a 9mm suppressor. But after running this gun today, I'm thinking about maybe shooting competition again. Let me know what you think. Any questions or suggestions, hit me up in the comments. Thanks for watching.